Welcome back, everyone. I'm home and my best friend. I just received Dixie Restoration Depot, and I'm happy with the paint color code for the Monte Carlo, the 86 Monte Carlo dark blue. They packaged these ones, so these are your B pillar interior trim parts, which are flawless on the B pillar. This is the driver's side, and I can accept this piece for the driver's side. I can't accept this piece. That is going to bother me because I paid for new and I expect it to be new. So they didn't wrap these A pillars, left and right front A pillars, but they wrapped the B pillars. And I'm not sure why there's imperfections here, but that is going to be noticeable every time that I get in and out of the car, and it's going to drive me crazy. The reason why I'm replacing is because they have wear from 1986 to present, and they're faded, and I want the interior to look like brand new. So I'm going to have to call them tomorrow and see what the return policy and exchange policy is for these parts. I've ordered from them in the past, and I've never had any issues. And I possibly think it's because it just wasn't. It wasn't either the paint wasn't dry or they didn't wrap these. So, like I said, these B pillars came wrapped, the A pillars didn't, and I want the interior at least perfect enough for me. Thanks for watching.